Good morning, YouTube. Wake up. There's nothing on the ground really, but then an hour later we got some snow. Look at her. Beautifuler day out and today and stuff, and oh yeah, this is a great day. I'm getting a call here. Now gotta get the coffee mug out, huh? That's really good. Wired-haired wiener dog. We got about ½ inch yet. See, it's not even slickery yet. Maybe in a couple spots, but nothing serious. And then I'm upset because I want to go play now. But when that happens, we're going to get the red rocket out. And we're going to go rip some shitties. See if we can't either blow it up because that rod knock, or wreck it and hurt ourselves and put ourselves in the hospital. You know, that'd be a good movie. Oh, my fan works today. It made me a little dizzy there. I'm going here down the film, get fat. I suppose she's a little slippery there. Just can't get over how beautiful her out and frig out day out it is today. Look onto it, boys. Look onto it. 8 to 10 chickens, so. And the motherfuckers can fly. Maybe like a gallop through the air. What do chickens do other than be a pest and a nuisance? Just like the mosquitoes, you know? Come on! Hurry up! That's no fun, man. Come on now. The state done closed us off. We can't have any fun now. Putting down their salt and shit like they think it's gonna be safe for us. But really, all they're doing is rotting out the bottom of my vehicle. Eventually, it's gonna rot out and my ass is gonna be dragging on the ground. You know why? Because you put salt on the ground and it ate through my car. Who's gonna pay for that? Obviously not you. What kind of world do we live in these days? Take it, oh boys. I've made it. No, it's oh my God, we're sliding. Well, right through there. My goodness gracious, boys. About lost my coffee. Gracious Lord. Oh my land. Oh my gracious. Oh, it's slickery. What? No. Oh my God, we're gonna crash! Finally made it to a parking spot. Like, I'm about to beat somebody up. I'm so upset right now. I can't even handle it. Yeah, I'm right on the edge here. About to hit a tree. And I hit a car. Luckily enough for me, that's my mom's car, but still, whatever. What's going on? I got about 2 inches down now. Went and picked up this what is this? Farberware blender thing. It's kind of like one of the magic bullets that you as seen on TV see type deal thing. And we're gonna use that for my other channel, which is Cooking with Trevor. So go hit that up on Instagram or YouTube. Like always, just like, share, and subscribe, and maybe we'll get some like t-shirts going or something like that. I don't know. You guys tell me. Down in the comments, comment what you'd like to see. Anything else like that. Like I said, run over to my other channel, Cooking with Trevor. Let me know what you think. Until tomorrow.